So I had a unique experience last week of working with Don, and it was a big project, lifting and leveling multiple pieces of concrete around a pool, and then sealing up all the joints around there to prolong the life of the concrete and get rid of any trip hazards. He likes to have get-togethers at the pool and put it to use throughout the summer. And he actually had an injury last year. Somebody had tripped over one of the spots around the pool and actually had broken something in their knee. That was a great concern to him, figuring out that deeper answer, you know what I mean? Because a lot of the times it's, you get a real simple answer, but to hear prolonging that life and ensuring safety of family members and you can have a good time around the pool, it makes coming into work exciting. Just knowing every day I have a different opportunity to make a big impact in somebody's life.